I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. Most money-making methods that YouTubers teach take a lot more time than what they lead on. But when I found this money-making strategy, it really blew my mind. So I thought for today's video, I definitely have to make a video on this and show you guys exactly how this works. Take a look at this video over here. It got 30 million views. And this channel makes millions of dollars every single year through their YouTube channel. And all they're doing is posting videos of 10 hours long of repeating sounds and repeating images and stock photos and getting hundreds of thousands of views every single month, which leads to millions of dollars every single year. If I quickly jump over to Social Blade, you can take a look at what they're earning. And Social Blade's analytics usually operates or is based on the bias of the lowest CPM on YouTube possible. Now remember, since these videos are 10 hours long, a lot more ads can be placed throughout these videos, meaning these longer videos get more watch time, which means more revenue. So I would assume that this channel gets a lot more revenue than what is shown here. But according to Social Blade, they are getting anywhere between $75,000 and $265,000 a year and over $22,000 a month, which again, I assume is a lot more than that. And if I come over to one of these videos over here, you will see that this is pretty much just a static video on loop or repeat that plays over a period of 8 hours long. There's another example over here of a very similar video that got over 30 million views, and it's just the same video played in loop, the entire video, repeat. Maybe it's a 2-minute video on repeat for 8 hours with songs also being put on, with relaxing music also being put on repeat throughout this video. And their entire channel consists of this. They've got a similar video with a static image and a snow overlay that's just running on repeats and loop for over 8 hours. If I come back to some previous videos, they've got the same thing with clouds, same thing with a lullaby song on loop, same thing with a guitar, same thing with those ladybugs at night. And it's just the same video on loop over for 8 hours solid. And doing this channel is making 6 to 7 figures every single year. I want to show you how you can do this just in a couple of minutes, which requires no skills, no filming yourself, no $100,000 movie camera equipment, no speaking into your own mic. You don't need to show your face on camera. All of this is really easy to do. And I mean, YouTube is obviously an international platform. The first step we need to talk about is finding the actual fire videos. The second step we need to talk about is creating these fire videos and putting them together. And the third step, uploading these fire videos to YouTube and optimizing them for the YouTube algorithm. And a fourth section that I'm going to go through just to give you a boost at the end of this video is a second platform I use on my own YouTube channel to give it a real boost. And that as well is a completely free strategy. The first thing you need to do is go down below on this video and smash the like button and make sure you subscribe down below with the red notification bell on. Just kidding. The first thing we actually need to do is to go and find some rain videos. So one of the easiest ways to do this is just to use the good old Google. We can come over to Google and just type in fire. If we click on enter, you'll have a look here. We can come over to pexels.com. We can come over to videasy.com. We can come over to pixabay.com. I don't recommend coming over to any fire footage on YouTube because that's already uploaded on YouTube. The algorithm can pick up that this is a repost. So I recommend you do want to go and post your own original fire videos. So over here, if I come over to Videasy, you will find over here tons of free stock footage. I mean, this video is just 45 seconds long that we can go and use. And I mean, there's hundreds of them. There's up to 24 pages just on videasy.com of free fire content that is copyright free. We've also got over here pexels.com. Again, I can scroll down forever and ever and ever and find tons of videos just on fire content that we can use for our channel. Another website in mind is pixabay.com. Again, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of fire videos all the way up to page 9, and I'm assuming there's over 100 fire videos just on page 1. The second part of step 1 on top of our fire videos is we need a relaxing audio. So we can come over to freesounds.com, and as you see here on the search bar, you can just go and type in fire, just click on enter, and over here it will give you tons of free fire, kind of like ASMR sound effects. So over here we've got fire burning. We can open this up in a new tab. Let's click on play. As you can see, this sounds like a pretty good one. You just need to go and create an account, log in to download, and you can go and download this to your PC completely for free. All you need to do is overlay your sound with your video on a video editing program and loop that for 8 to 10 hours. A great alternative is also zapsplat.com. You can come over to the search bar and go and search fire to go and find Fire Audio. So if I click on enter, you will see over here tons of Fire sounds. And you can come all the way over to page 2 and 3 to go and find more sounds on Fire. Once you found a couple, you can go and download these completely for free to your PC. My favorite website is freesound.org. I definitely found a lot more sounds in the specific Fire niche over here for you to download. I mean, it goes all the way up to page 212. So there's probably over 1,000 different Fire sounds to choose from on this website. All right, so on my PC, I've saved one Fire video and one fire burning sound effect. Now all we need is a software to go and put these two videos together. So this is going to lead us to step 2, is building this video. So you can go and use a free tool like openshot.org. For the purpose of this video, I've got Sony Vegas 17 installed on my PC. So I'm just going to go and open up Sony Vegas over here. Openshot.org works very similar to that of Sony Vegas. So you can go and open up your folder, go and drag your Fireplace onto Sony Vegas with your audio over here. And all you really need to do is just go and stretch this out for, I would say, about at least 5 to 10 hours long for YouTube. So I'm going to stretch this out. You can see all the way over here. I'm now at 2 hours, now at 3 hours, 4 hours. Let's just maybe make it 5 hours for the purpose of this video. There we go. So we're now at about 5 hours, and you want to do the same thing for the song. And just like that, you've now got a 5-hour long video of this entire Fire video just in loop. Then what you can go and do is you can go and highlight this entire video, click on File, click on Render As. I recommend go and save this as Internet HD 1080p 60 FPS, and you can just save it to your folder and type on Fire video, for example. You can click on render. This video maybe take about 10 to 20 minutes to render. Once it's done, it's then saved to your PC and it's ready to go and upload to YouTube. Before we just go and upload the video to YouTube, we need to go and optimize our title, tags, and descriptions to actually rank on the top pages of Google and to get a decent amount of views. So in order to do that, I usually go and use a tool called Video Marketing Blaster, which is a tool which is literally 3 clicks is all you need to rank on Google and YouTube, and it will help you get a tidal wave of free targeted traffic. It will help you reverse engineer the Google and YouTube ranking system. This tool will find you tons of untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited, gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized title, descriptions, and tags, drives 100% free traffic to YouTube and Google. This tool is a once-off fee of $27. So this is a paid tool. It's not required for the strategy. I just recommend it because I use this tool. I'm not an affiliate for this tool. I'm just recommending it. You can come over straight to videomarketingblaster.com. I actually have this tool downloaded or bought, so I'm going to show you how it works. And once you've signed into your Video Marketing Blaster dashboard over here, which will look like this, they will send you an email to your dashboard. You can go and click on keywords over here. We can just go and type main keyword, Fire videos. Just click on research, and I will do some research on the general search term of Fire keywords or the Fire videos keyword. So over here we've got earth, wind, and fire videos. That's a good keyword to go and use. So we can go and copy that as when people search fire videos, mostly earth and wind fire videos pop up. So we can go and use this particular keyword, come and click on video details over here on the top left menu bar. It will ask you to generate details with a big blue button. Click on that, go and paste your keyword. Your niche could just be, maybe there's nature. Okay, nothing like that, so that's fine. Find a title that best fits your keyword. Just choose any one of these. For your secondary keyword, you can go and use Earth, Wind, Fire, Earth, Wind, and Fire, Earth, Wind, and Fire Live. We can then click on Next Step, click on Generate Details, and take a look at this. If I click on my keyword, it will load up and automatically generate a title, descriptions, and tags. So what I recommend is maybe just go and change the title. I recommend get influence from some of the big pages doing this. Don't copy title for word, but you can go and do, for example, edit. We can go relaxing fire ASMR asterisk, for example, something like that, and then you can just copy and paste your descriptions and tags into your YouTube upload tab, and it's as easy as that. For the thumbnail, I just recommend use the default thumbnail that YouTube gives you when you upload a video, or if you really want to go and perfect your thumbnails. For my thumbnails on YouTube, I use a tool called Thumbnail Blaster, which is an excellent tool that gives you at least 10% plus click-through rate thumbnails for your videos. Definitely gets me a lot more clicks on my videos. So this tool over here is called thumbnailblaster.com. If you go and scroll through, to the middle of the page. They actually give you a couple of templates that you can have a look at. And if you want to, you can go and edit one of these thumbnails with the tool that they give you. It's like a drag and drop builder where you can add images, edit text by just clicking on it. And you can maybe replace the background image with a fire, for example. So it's really easy to use. I've got this tool as well. But if you want to check this out, you can come over to thumbnailblaster.com. Otherwise, alternatively, you can just use the thumbnail that YouTube provides you. I want to quickly talk about a fourth point in this video, which we can go and use TikTok to really go and boost and blow up our YouTube channel. I've been using TikTok for the last while. If we actually go and search me up here, I'll show you now an example. I'm not in this niche, but just to give you an example, I'm in another niche, but I use the same concept. I've been posting on TikTok daily, only for about 6 months. I'm already at 300K followers. The amount of time I've been posting on YouTube is taking me years to get even half the amount of that followers. So that's just to give you an idea of how powerful TikTok is. And I leave a link to my YouTube channel in the bio of my TikTok page, which has got me tons of views and tons of subscribers on YouTube. So if we go and search, for example, fire relaxing on TikTok, you can go and have a look at some of these TikTok pages here and go and create a similar kind of a page. And go and create a similar kind of a page where you just post maybe like a 30-second snippet of your edited video that we've just edited in Sony Vegas over here in portrait mode. Go and post it on TikTok, and you can leave a little text just like this person has done over here, link in bio for the full 8-hour relaxing video. And that way people will see that when it pops up on their For You page, they will come over to your profile and click on your YouTube channel, and you can use TikTok to really get a lot of views. I mean, if one video of yours blows up to 10,000 or 100,000, even a million, say, views, that is thousands of views and thousands of potential subscribers for YouTube, which also means hundreds of dollars of revenue when you get monetized. So if you really are keen on building a YouTube channel like this, I'm going to give you out some extra help. On my screen over here, I'm going to leave my entire YouTube growth playlist that I've posted on YouTube. So these are my best growth tips on and about YouTube that I've posted on my YouTube channel for over the past 3 to 4 years. So I've compiled all of that into one easy playlist and course for you guys on YouTube. If you want to go and check that out and learn more about different tools and ways to grow your YouTube channel, you can go and click on the playlist on the screen over here, and I'll see you over there.